KNUST Wellness Center, in collaboration with the University Hospital Services and the College of Science Health and Safety Committee, has organized a general health screening. The Wellness Committee of KNUST has declared the month of June as a Wellness Month for all staff of the 6 colleges of the university community. And as part of this declaration, the College of Science has kick-started the health screening, which include screening for health conditions such as blood pressure level, blood sugar level, liver function, eye tests, BMI, cervical cancer, PAS for men, mental and neurological disorders, nutritional counseling, and others. The activities started on the 1st of June 2023 and will end on the 5th of June 2023 from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. each day. The Wellness Center and the University Health Services believes that early detection of health problems can lead to a more effective treatment and better outcomes, hence the need for the screening.
The month of June would be a month that will be set aside to screen all staff of the university. We've learned that wellness is very, very vital if we want to give of our best as staff of the university.
The Vice Chancellor has made it a call that she wants to make sure that all staff, whether permanent or casual, are living in a very healthy body so that we can all contribute to the KNUST agenda. And I must say that this year's event has been very successful with over 87% participation of all staff.
Some participants share their experience with Tech TV.
This is important, especially being so busy, unable to take time off to go and do checkups at the hospital. This, possibility, being offered this opportunity to do checkup is very, very important to me. And this morning I set it aside to really come and look at the status of my health. And I've spent time, but it's not a waste. I've really gotten to know my condition of health, and I've got good pieces of advice that will help me.
If I'm not sick, I don't go. But when I came here, I realized we are supposed to be visiting the hospital. Whether you are sick, whether you are well or you are not well, you're supposed to be visiting the hospital to get all these screens done, to know your health.
Sometimes people are not conscious of their health, but at least with the Wellness Center organizing these activities and bringing all of us together here is something very good, and I commend them for that.
Compared to previous years, I think this one, the areas of screening has been widened and it's very helpful. The previous ones it was limited, but this time around they've added the eye, they've added the dietitian and the stress. They've improved over the years and it is very helpful. It's now widened, and then things that were overlooking has now been enlightened, and then you now know what to do, the do's and the don'ts.
So on starting, we expected that at least all staff of the university would participate fully in the exercise. So we've sent out the pre-screening platforms on our website, the Wellness Center website, so that people would do an initial assessment before they came to the center. So it just gives them a general awareness of their own health. The expectation has generally, I would say, been met. It's been a good turnout at the College of Science. We saw a lot of lecturers, we saw a lot of professors, we saw a lot of the non-teaching staff also coming in to get screened, and that was very, very heartwarming, I must say. Yeah.
We thank you very much for organizing this program, and I also encourage the university community to get involved when some of these programs are being organized. It is for our own good, actually.
Right from the administration of the university to the provost, we are very thankful for this initiative.
So when it comes to the health of the KNUST school population, it has never been more important until now. As we can all see, we are now moving into an era of non-communicable diseases. So with that, I mean that we are now moving on to problems such as diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and cancers. we now see more of these kind of cases as compared to what we were seeing before, like infectious disease like malarias and hepatitis and HIV. These were what we were seeing before, but now we are progressing to more of these non-communicable diseases. And most of these are dependent on the lifestyle that we lead. So some of the risk factors that we have, like alcohol, tobacco, unhealthy diets, the taking of sweetened beverages, some of these are the important risk factors that are now coming up. So getting screened earlier really has an effect on developing other conditions like cancers and other non-communicable diseases like diabetes and obesity. So once you get screened early, there's a more likelihood that you will be getting treatment earlier than you should. So your progression towards pre-morbid conditions and then death would be delayed. And of course, you can lead a more healthy life if you are able to get screened early and take more precautions at an earlier stage in life.
Most of the staff, they don't really know what's wrong with them. Let me put it that simply like that. Most of them have their cholesterol levels being high. Some have their sugar levels being high and stuff. So if you know your sugar levels, your cholesterol levels and all those things, you know the sort of foods to eat, how to eat, like your exercises to undertake and stuff. So if you are indulging in this particular exercise, you get to know at this particular point how your system is.
This is an exercise by the University Wellness team to do a health screening. But the college wellness team also thought it wise to include a health talk. And so we had a talk on cardiovascular diseases, stress and burnout. You know, there's a lot of staff who talk about the fact that they are stressed up. And so we needed to, identify their stress level, what they are going through, and also give them tips as to how to overcome stresses and burnout.
We want to thank the University Hospital staff. We want to thank the KNUST Wellness Center. We want to thank Tech TV, and we want to thank all staff for participating actively in this event. I want to ensure that from now onwards, the health screening will be an annual event, so that as part of management's effort, we ensure that even those who have forgotten that they have to check their health will make sure that they are reminded to do so.
Listen, your health is important. Thank you very much.